today's it's a quick update video on the camera cage. Basically, in the setup video, I got this totally wrong by placing this handle here when it should have gone into the shoe just above here. The shoe, and the screw goes in underneath here, and this blue screw goes in the top, and I totally got it wrong, as you can see on the setup video. And I've corrected it now, and also put the handle on here, a candle grip. Not that makes much difference because this gets in the way most of the time. The only thing I do have a problem with this camera cage is the camera's still moving a bit on here. As you can see, it's, for some reason it's not gripping the camera down properly. I don't know what that is. There's not enough room to put anything underneath here, so it is what it is. So that's just a short update on the camera cage. Is it worth it? No, not really. Again, you get what you pay for. I would go for a more expensive one. One of the small rigs, probably. This one, it's going to be a hassle, isn't it? If I can't get this tightened on enough, and it's just moving here. See, it's tightened as far as I can get it in. So, yep. Check back for more videos coming soon anyway. Basically, I would give this camera cage a pass. So check back soon for more videos.